Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. Today's session we will learn about three DAX functions, and those DAX functions are hour, minute and second, because these three are very related about timing. So we'll learn about these three DAX functions in this session. So let me open Power BI. So meanwhile, I'll just tell you that to create this hour, minute, and seconds, you should have a separate column called timing where all this minute time and minute, hour, and seconds should be presented already. Then only you are going to separate this information in another column. For example, here I have created a time column where I have put 5:30, 20, 6:30, 20. It means 5 hours, 30 minutes, 20 seconds. So combiningly, it is already available in this column. You are just going to segregate this in separate column and creating three columns, one for hour, one for minute, and another one for second. So what it does, this function is it segregate the timing like hour, minute, and seconds in a separate column. Okay, that's what we are going to learn. So we will do all this in Power BI. So I'll just connect the data, Excel book, connect. I'm just taking sales data. The Excel is connecting. Hold for a moment. In my Excel, we have one sheet. So I'm just selecting this sheet and load. So we have connected the Excel, and on the right hand side, whatever the columns were there in the Excel, all appearing here. In this, there is a separate column I have created called timing, just to make you understand about the functions, these three functions on time, like hour, minute, and seconds. So what I will do, I will go to data view. Okay, so in the timing function, we have nothing. So here you can see this time columns. In the time columns, we have time information like we have date, and also we have hour, minute, and seconds. So because we only want hour, minute, and second, I need to remove all other things. What I will do is I will just give the format of this one, and it is now showing hour, minute, and second. So I have just changed the format, right? So based on that only showing hour, minute, and second. The date is not showing right now. because I wanted like this. So I have already created three columns. One is for hour, minute, and seconds. But instead of doing this, we have to create new columns in Power BI itself. So I don't want this now. I'll just delete it. Delete. This column was appearing because I in Excel I just make you to understand about this function. So I have created three column here, but this we have to do in Power BI, not in Excel. So I just deleted those three columns. Now I am going to create three columns again to segregate all this hour, minute, and seconds by using the DAX functions. So for that, I will go to the table tools, create new column. So first column I am creating for hour, hour one equal to function of hour. So in function of hour, it is asking date time. So what I will do, I will select this column. So this is in sheet one. In sheet one, we have time. Close the bracket, and now you enter. Yes. So the moment you enter, it is showing 0, 23, 22, 21, 29. What is this? This is nothing but this our information from this column. So it is 0, here it is 23, 22, 21. So this our information is coming in this column. Now I want minute, the middle one. So I will create another column. Minute 1 equal to function of minute. It is asking the same date and time. So I will give this column information like sheet 1, because this is presented in sheet 1 tables. Okay, in sheet 1 we have time. Time is the column name. So I'll just close the bracket and I'll enter. Now just similar to this hour query, we have given this query minute queries or minute functions, DAX functions. So it is created another columns, and within that column this minute information is coming like this 30, 30, 30, right? All this 30 it's coming here. Similarly, you can give for second. Create a new column. Second one equal to function of second. Within function of second, it is asking timing. So I'll select the sheet one table. In sheet one, we have timing, and close the bracket. And so this is taking the second information from time column. So 20, 20, 20, 20. So all this 20 is coming here. I hope you are able to understand about these DAX functions on time, like hour, minute, and second. So you can practice yourself and you can learn. From the application perspective, I will make a separate videos where I will do an entire end-to-end project, and we'll try to use all the DAX functions, and in that you will learn what is the application of this DAX function, where it is being used in the project. So we'll have a separate video for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. So we'll continue our DAX functions session, and we'll try to learn the other DAX functions in the next video. So we have covered now hour, right? Minute, hour, minute, and second. This we have covered now. I think month also we cover. No, month we have not covered. We have covered these two, e date and e month, right? So I'll just cover here. So e date and e month I have covered in my previous video. You can go and check the video. In this session, we learn about only three functions: hour, minute, and second. Okay. So we have the remaining date and time function like not work, network days. Now we have a time value today, UTC now, UTC today, weekday, week number, year, FRAC. So once this is over, I think we are done with the date and time function, and we'll continue with other types of functions. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please practice yourself and try to learn Power BI on your own by seeing my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.